Hello students, now we are going to start worksheet 4 of chapter 2. Before that, we will just see the basic of reciprocals. Okay, so if you come on page number 37, two non-zero numbers like a upon b is a rational number and b upon s, you can say a upon b, they have done b upon a, are the reciprocals of each other, ulta. Okay, so if you come here, what they are told that 4 upon 9 on page 36, 4 upon 9 is called the reciprocal of 9 upon 4. We write the denominator up and numerator goes down. Other name is multiplicative inverse. Okay, and if you see here 9 upon 4, how we know they are 9 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 9. If they gets cancelled and answer is 1, positive 1. So they are the reciprocals of each other, multiplicative inverse. Okay, here if we see 3 upon 7 and minus 7, sign change. See, this is positive and this is negative. And answer we get as minus 1. So this is not the reciprocal. Minus 7 upon 3 is not the reciprocal of 3 upon 7. Got it? So now we will start worksheet 4. So first question is, find the reciprocals of this number, rational numbers. So let's start. Okay, 1.1 minus 1 upon 5. So the reciprocal of minus 1 upon 5 is 5 upon minus 1. But in the denominator we don't keep 1, so this will go up and we will get only minus 5. Okay, next 1.2 is 4. So what will be the reciprocal of 4? There is nothing in denominator, so we consider it as 1. So it will be 1 upon 4. Next 1.3, 11 upon minus 12. So what will be the reciprocal of 11 upon minus 12? Minus 12 upon 11. Okay, and last 1.4, minus 2 upon minus 19. So what will be the reciprocal of this? Minus 19 upon minus 2. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Second question, check if the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. We have to check. So what answer we must get? 1. If we get the answer 1, so it is the reciprocal. Okay, let's see. Minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. Okay, so we will reduce here minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What remains? 1 into 1 is 1, minus plus minus. Down also 1 into 1 is 1. So what we get? Minus 1. So what we got? Minus 1. So they are not the reciprocals. So we will write minus 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 2 are not reciprocals. Okay, next question, third one, check if the reciprocal of minus 1 upon 5 is minus 5. Again here also we have to check this. Okay, so minus 1 upon 5 into minus 5. So here 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus minus plus. So only 1 we got. So yes, they are the reciprocals. Okay. So what we will write? Minus 1 upon 5 and minus 5 are reciprocals. Okay. Now we'll see the next question, fourth one. So before starting fourth question, come to page number 37. Page number 37, note, see the fourth one. If x is any non-zero rational number, it is any rational number like this, then its reciprocal is denoted by x raised to minus 1. X raised to minus 1, which is equal to 1 upon x. Means, if, this means what? If 3 upon 7 is any rational number, its reciprocal is denoted by minus 1. This is x, right? 3 upon 7. So x raised to minus 1. So 3 upon 7 minus 1. and which is equal to what? The rational number, it is reciprocated. So it will be, we will remove this and it will become 7 upon 3. 3 upon 7 will become 7 upon 3. Got it? Okay. In the more detail form, if I teach you, see this, x raised to minus 1. Matlab, this is x raised to minus 1. It means it is equal to 1 upon x. Matlab 1 upon, what is my x over this x here? What is the x over here? 3 upon 7. Okay. Like this one. Okay. So when you, this will come plus. So when we remove this, it will become 7 upon 3. Okay. So instead of writing all this, we can directly write that 3 upon 7 minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3. This is the reciprocal of this. Okay. So now we will start question number 4. Verify. We have to verify x minus y the whole raised to minus 1 is not equal to x raised to minus 1 minus y raised to minus 1 by taking x is equal to minus 2 upon 7 and y is equal to 4 upon 7. These are the values they have given. We have to put these values in this equation left hand side and right hand side, and we have to check whether they are not equal. Not always we check they are equal. Here they are verified as not equal. Okay. So let's start. Okay, we wrote the question, this we have to verify and these are the values we have to put in. So first we will take the left hand side. So left hand side is equal to x minus y the whole raised to minus 1. So what is the x value of x in this? Minus 2 upon 7. So I wrote minus 2 upon 7. Open the bracket and then minus sign, value of y is 4 upon 7. Then minus 1 I will write outside. Okay. Next, as we have same there is subtraction in between, so we have to equalize the denominators. We have already equal denominators, so I will write it in common. Now in the numerator what I got? Minus 2 minus 4. Okay, close the bracket. So minus minus is plus, 4 plus 2 is 6. What is who is the biggest number? 4. Sign of 4 is minus, so I have minus 6 upon 7 raised to minus 1. Okay. Now here, now we have to reciprocate this. Previously also I showed you that if we, this is what 1 upon x. So now we will reciprocate, we will remove this minus 1. So what will this become? 7 upon minus 6. So in the left hand side what I got? 7 upon minus 6. Now we will solve the right hand side. What is there? X raised to minus 1 minus y raised to minus 1. Okay, so what is the value of x? Minus 2 upon 7. So I will write minus 2 upon 7 raised to minus 1 minus value of y is 4 upon 7. Okay, the whole raised to minus 1. We have to put now the whole raised to, only direct minus 1, so it will go only for 2. But this is for the whole x. Okay. Now see, we have to subtract, but we cannot subtract it directly. So first I will write the reciprocal. Now if I remove minus 1, this will reciprocate. So I will get 7 upon minus 2. And here 7 upon 4 I will get. Okay. Now I have to subtract, but I will put this minus sign up. So I have minus 7 upon 2 minus 7 upon 4. Now, yeah, different denominators we got, so we have to equalize. So already 4 is there. So I will multiply by 2. I will get 2 2s are 4. So up also I will multiply by 2. So 7 2s is 14 upon 4 and minus sign. Then this minus sign 7 upon 4. Now I have equal denominators, so I will write this 4 in common. In the numerator I got minus 14 minus 7. So minus minus is plus. 14 plus 7 is 21. And who is bigger? 14. So what is the sign of 14? Minus. Minus 21 upon 4 I got. So this is the right hand side I got and this is the left hand side. Both are not equal. Okay. So I will write, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Okay. Therefore, I will write the question x minus y the whole raised to minus 1 is not equal to x raised to minus 1 minus y raised to minus 1. Okay. Hence, verified. Got it? Now, we will see the next question. Fifth question. Verify that x plus y the whole raised to minus 1 is not equal to x raised to 1 minus plus y raised to minus 1 by taking these values. Okay, same, but here subtraction was there and now we have addition. Okay, same we have to verify by putting this value in this. So let's see. Now we wrote the question. Okay, let's verify. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we will write LHS left hand side x plus y the whole raised to minus 1. So value of x is 5 upon 9. So I wrote 5 upon 9. Then we have plus value of y is minus 4 upon 3. So I wrote minus 4 upon 3 the whole raised to minus 1. Now we have to equalize because there is addition in between, so we have to equalize the denominator. So if I multiply 3 here, I will get 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So we will get the same denominators. So 5 upon 9 plus minus 4 upon 3 multiply by 3, then up also we multiply by 3. Close the bracket, raised to minus 1. Now 5 upon 9 plus 3 4s is 4 3s are 12. Minus plus minus upon 3 3s are 9 the whole raised to minus 1. So now I will write this 9. I have same denominators. I will write it in common, and in the numerator what I got 5 plus minus 12 the whole raised to minus 1. Now 9 I wrote as it is, plus minus minus 5 minus 12 the whole raised to minus 1. This plus minus minus. Okay, now 12 minus 5, how much? 7. Okay, upon 9, who is bigger? 12. What is the sign of 12? Minus. So I will write minus 7 upon 9 the whole raised to minus 1. Okay, now I will remove this one. It will reciprocate. Okay, so I will get 9 upon minus 7. Okay, so this is the left hand side we got. Now we'll go to the right hand side. X raised to minus 1 plus y raised to minus 1. So what is the value of x? 5 upon 9. So 5 upon 9 the whole raised to minus 1. See. So the whole raised to minus 1. This is whole x. Plus y is minus 4 upon 3. The whole raised to minus 1. Now I am going to remove minus 1. So this will reciprocate. So I will get 9 upon 5. Plus this will be 3 upon minus 4. Again for addition we have to move this sign up. So 9 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 4. Now we have to equalize the denominator. So I will multiply 4 here and I will multiply 5 here. Okay. So 9 upon 5 multiply by 4. So up also I will multiply by 4. Then plus minus 3 upon 4. I will multiply this 5 over here. So up also I will multiply by 5. So 9 4s is 36. 5 4s is 20. Plus sign. 3 5s are 15. Minus plus minus. 4 5s are 20. Now I got equal denominators. So I will write it in common. This 20. In the numerator I got 36 plus minus 15. So we will solve the signs first. So 36 plus minus minus and then 15 I wrote. Plus minus minus upon 20. So what I got? 21 upon 20. 36 minus 15 is 21. 36 greater. So sign of 36 is plus. So I will keep it plus. 21 upon 20. This is the right hand side I got, and this is the left hand side. Both are not equal. So what I will write? LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, and we'll write the question. X plus y the whole raised to minus 1 is not equal to x raised to minus 1 plus y raised to minus 1. Hence, verified. Okay, so we have completed question number 5. Now worksheet 4, question number 6 is verify that x into y the whole raised to minus 1 is equal. Okay, now we have to show that they are equal. Previously they were not equal, we have to show. Is equal to x raised to minus 1 multiply by y raised to minus 1 by taking x value as minus 2 upon 3 and y value as minus 3 upon 4. Okay, let's verify it. So we wrote the question, and there are multiplication signs in between. Previously we did subtraction and addition. This is a multiplication. So let's verify. We will take the left hand side first. So LHS is equal to x multiplied by y the whole raised to minus 1. So value of x is what? Minus 2 upon 3. Okay, so I will write minus 2 upon 3. Then multiply. Value of y is minus 3 upon 4. Close the bracket and write minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1. Now as that is multiplication, first we will reduce whatever is getting reduced, and then we will directly multiply. So if we see 2 and 3 we cannot divide, 3 and 4 we cannot divide, 2 and 4 we can. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. Here also in cross 3 1s are, 3 1s are we can do. Okay, so what remains? 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 and minus minus plus upon 1 into 2. So 2 ones is 2. The whole raised to minus 1. Now to remove this minus sign, so this number will reciprocate, we will get 2. So in the left hand side I got 2. Okay, now we will see the right hand side. So it is x raised to minus 1 multiplied by y raised to minus 1. So now value of x is what? Minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3 the whole raised to minus 1. This minus 1 is for the whole x. So the whole x is what? Minus 2 upon 3. So I put minus 1 for the whole thing, not just directly. If I without bracket if I write, so it will be applicable only to 2. Okay, but the whole 2 minus 2 upon 3 is my x. Multiply by y. It is minus 3 upon 4. The whole raised to minus 1. Okay, now directly we cannot multiply. I have to remove this. So when I remove this minus 1, this will reciprocate. So minus 2 upon 3 I will get 3 upon minus 2. Okay, then multiplication here also I will remove this. This will reciprocate. So I will get 4 upon minus 3. Okay, now here we will see whether anything is getting reduced. Like this nothing gets reduced. Like this also nothing. See like this 3 1s are, 3 1s are. Here 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. So what I get? 1 into 2 is 2. Down I have only 1. Okay, and minus minus plus 1. Up plus plus plus. So 2 upon 1 is what? 2 only. Okay, so on the right hand side I got 2. Even on the left hand side I got 2. So my left hand side and right hand side are equal. So I will write therefore LHS is equal to RHS. And what we have to verify, that this both left hand side and right hand side are equal. So yes, they are equal. Okay, so I will write therefore x multiplied by y the whole raised to minus 1 is equal to x raised to 1 multiplied by y raised to minus 1 multiplied by y raised to minus 1. Okay, hence verified. Okay, so we have completed question number 6. Okay, now we are going to start worksheet 4, question number 7. Fill in the blanks. The number dash has no reciprocal. Okay, on page 37 they have given 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, so what is the answer? 0. Okay, 0 has no reciprocal because 0 by 1, 0 divided by any number, answer will be 0 only. Okay, next, second one, dash and dash are their own reciprocals. Okay, see here, page 37. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So we have two options. 1 are their own reciprocal. Like see, 1 upon 1 is what? 1. It is their own reciprocal, 1. And another one is minus 1. Another one is what? Minus 1. So if you write minus 1 upon 1, yeah, minus 1 upon 1. The reciprocal you will get minus 1 only. So there are 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. Okay. See, for example, if I write 1 upon 2, I will get 2, or if I write 2, I will get 1 upon 2. But for minus 1, I will get minus 1 only. For 1, I will get 1 only. Okay. Now, next question. If A is the reciprocal of B, then B is the reciprocal of A. Okay. Next. 11 into 5, the whole raised to minus 1 is equal to 11 into 11 raised to minus 1, and then here 5 raised to minus 1. Okay. Next, minus 1 upon 8 into dash will give you 1. So I have to write the reciprocal of this. So I will get 1, means we cancel it. Okay. So what I will get? Minus 8. So I will get 1. How? 8 and gets cancelled. So 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. And how minus 8 you got? See, minus 1 upon 8. What is the reciprocal of this? 8 upon minus 1. But we don't keep minus 1 in the denominator. No? So it will get, minus will go up and it will become minus 8. So I wrote minus 8. And this get cancelled. Minus minus plus, so I get 1. Got it? Next. Dash into minus 5, 1 upon 3 is equal to 1. Again we have to find the reciprocal of this. So if you see, this is what? A mixed fraction. So first we have to bring this into proper fraction. So 5 3s is 15. I told you, we multiply by denominator and then we add with the numerator. So 5 3s is what? 15. 15 plus 1, 16 upon 3. Okay. So, and this minus sign, it goes up, right? Minus sign here. So minus 16 upon 3. So what will be the reciprocal of this? Minus 3 upon 16. 3 upon 16. Okay. 16 upon 3, we'll add 16 upon 3 upon 16. So minus 3 upon 16. Okay. So in this way we have completed worksheet 4.